Hey everybody, so I wanted to keep working on this concept of mean variance standard deviation of probability distribution. So this is a probability distribution of a talk show of a radio station. And so, for example, the probability that you get in immediately is 0.3. The probability that you have to go to line 1 is 0.4. The probability that you go to line 2 is 0.23. So probability you go to line 4 is 0.04, and you still get through. All right, so first let's find the mean, which is 0 times 0.3 plus 1 times 0.24 2 times 0.23 plus 3 times 0.21 plus 4 times 0.04. Okay, and so I'm just going to type that in my calculator. I hope you're doing it with me. Right, and I get 1.59, so that's the mean. So on average, you're put between lines 1 and 2, so 1.59. All right, now we need to find the variance. So we're going to do 0 squared, 0.3, 1 squared, 0.34, 2 squared, 0.23, plus 3 squared, 0.21, plus 4 squared, 0.04, minus the mean, 1.59 squared. Let me type that in my calculator. 0 squared times 0.3, 1 squared times 0.24, 2 squared times 0.23, 3 squared times 0.21, 4 squared times 0.04, minus 1.59 squared. Okay, so I get 1.3. So for variance, I get 1.3, and then I need standard deviation. So I'm going to take the square root of 1.3, and I get 1.1. So it's mean variance standard deviation of a probability distribution. All right, let's talk about expected value. So expected value is useful when you're trying to find the expected value of a game, such as craps, like the game in the casino, or blackjack, or roulette, or the lottery. And an expected value, it is the exact same thing as the average. Okay? So I'm going to make the probability distribution, and then I'm just going to find the mean. But because it's a game or an event, it's just called expected value. So this means about how much money you would win or lose if you played the game every single time it was offered and you always played it. All right, so we have 1,000 tickets are sold at $1 each for a color TV because that's what everybody wants. They like I should put like a 3D TV. That would be cooler. Okay, sure. I mean, you can give it to your grandma. Valued at $350. What's the expected value if you got one ticket? All right, so probability of the event and then the event. So if you win versus if you lose. So if you win, you pay $1, and then if you lose, you're out. I'm sorry. Try that again. If you lose, you're out $1. If you win, You've won $349 because you paid $1 to play it. And then the probability of winning is 1 over 1,000. Probability of losing is 999 over 1,000. All right, so I'm going to multiply those to an add. So 349 over 1 over 1,000 plus negative 1, 999 over 1,000. All right, I'm literally going to type that in my calculator as is. 349 parentheses 1 divided by 1,000 plus negative 1 parentheses 999 over 1,000. And so I get negative 0.5. So if I played this game all the time, I would be out 65 cents. All right, let's do another one just like that. All right, 5,000 tickets are sold for $1 each, and the prize value is $1,000. What's the expected value? So if you win, if you lose, event, probability of the event. So if you win, you've won $999. Oh, 2 tickets. $998 because you paid for 2 tickets. The probability of winning, they're just pulling 1, is 1 out of 5,000. The probability of losing is 400. Oh, no. You bought 2 tickets. So 2 over that. 498 over 5,000. And so I'm going to type that in the calculator, multiply them, and add them. So 998 to 5,000. That's negative 2. 4,998 over 5,000. Okay, so 998, 2 divided by 5,000 plus negative 2, 4,998 divided by 5,000, get negative 1.6. So I would be out $1.60 if I played this every single time it was offered all the time. All right, so that's sections 5.1 and 5.2 about probability distributions. You should go do your independent work, do your quizzes, and then prepare for your exam. On the exam, see if it'll let me, I want to show you. On the exam, all right, the best things, so this is your review, and there's answer keys to that. The best things are these last 3. And so your exam pretty much reflects those 3. Those others are great practice. I just had written another test that I thought was a little more effective. And so I did another review. All right, so I'll talk to y'all later. Good luck on your test. I'm just a text away, an email away if you need anything. All right, I'll talk to you later.